Umshi benta ban kan mai ka jing dam hneu pusan snam ka jing yo lat lut kari ya ka bala tip kum ka azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav ka Regional Outreach Bureau Ministry of Information and Broadcasting ka Sarkar India ka la penlong ya jing pen ina mi kidur saken mau bat jing tho jong kiriu kraw ya ka tega program la penlong ha umsning auditorium hall ha ka South Ulaber ha ka ba u arpit upadhe u deputy commissioner Karibhoi district ulalong ukongsan bat u Raja Brahma block development officer ka CNRD block umsning ulalong u sembur kongsan rengkat ka jingdan lang kirang bashnong u chairman ka umsning town dorbar ki khana school na kathan umsning bat kiwe.
When we say that today we are celebrating 75 years of independence, but we are born in the independent times. We don't know what our forefathers, the makers of our nations, they have faced. So if we go through the history, we will find so many great personalities, and they have sacrificed so much. People have sacrificed their entire life to fight for our independence. Most of them, we don't even know their names. So sometimes I wonder why. What encourages a person to make such a great sacrifice to such an extent that they knew that they will not be able to see the independent India. They laid their lives for us, for India's independence. So what is it that drives you to such kind of a passion? This is our ideals. Our forefathers, the makers of our nation, they fought for us for ideals like equality, justice, brotherhood, fraternity, the freedom to make our choices, the freedom to express ourselves, the freedom to decide what I want to do in my life, the decisions which I make. So whatever we decide today to sleep or not, it is because of those freedom fighters only. And today when we are celebrating the 75 years of India's independence, we should realize that whatever we are enjoying these days, our life, it is because of the sacrifices made by our ancestors, made by our makers of our India.